2025 Honda CR-V. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.